Hello friends, my name is Rajendra and you are watching Tech Tips. Today we are going to learn how we can monitor our child's activities on YouTube. And also we will learn how we can disable our YouTube search history. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Let's begin the tutorial. Now we are going to log in into youtube.com. Here I am typing youtube.com on the URL. Now as you see, youtube.com has loaded. On the left panel of youtube.com, you will find history. You have to click on this history link. This will open the history page. This shows watch history. Whatever we are watching appears over here. So the last video that I have watched is I jumped off a plane. So let's see by watching another video if it appears over here or not. Let's open this link. Now let's go back again in the history. If you see here, this was the video that we last watched. So you can monitor your kids' watch history over here. Now, there are a lot of options YouTube provides us. If you want to delete something from the watch history, you can simply click on the cross icon. It deletes the item from the watch history. Let me delete another one. So as you see, this item has also been removed from the history. Now I am reloading the page to see if it has worked or not. As you see, the items that I have deleted are gone. So if you want to delete items individually, you can just click on the cross mark. If you want to delete all the items together, you have an option here. The option says clear all watch history. If I click on this icon, it will delete all the history. Now, as an adult, we tend to watch many things on YouTube, and maybe sometimes we don't want others to see our history. So how can we prevent that? So YouTube provides us another option, pause watch history. So if we click on this option, this will pause our watch history. So anything that we watch on YouTube will not appear in the watch history section. Let me pause it for you. So now that I have paused the watch history, let me load another video. Let me load this video. So now as you see, we are watching this video. A tribute to MS Dhoni. Now let me go back again. Now I'm coming back to history again. If you see here, the item that we have watched has not appeared here. So this is how we can pause our watch history. If you found this video interesting and helpful, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thank you.